are making new hole for gutter for bathroom. Kasi yung dito, this is already full na dar. I think this more than 10 years. 15 years this yung yung bangko ng ng CR. So now we are making her new. Ayan si Kabirbay. Kabirbay the Great. How many feet this one? That's 10?
Almost 10 feet now.
10 feet? How many now feet?
9.
9? Oh, one more feet. And this length and width?
8 by 8.
8 by 8. So, this is okay? This is enough?
Enough for 30 years.
How 30 years that?
After 30 years, I'm not more.
Huh?
The father is responsible.
Yeah. No more maybe for me. Also maybe no more.
Yeah.
And
The father in Allah.
Fahad responsible for this one.
Yeah, father and Hamza and Rafi.
And Fatma, if she will get married also, then I don't know. Inshallah, Allah knows everything our life. And Kabirbay, he make this one yesterday, and 2 days he make this one. They can do even their fasting. Also, Madar, salam. बात है क्या हुआ क्या हुआ कबीर भाई ayan today is 7 day fasting today dar Ramadan. Ayan, nice weather, very nice weather. Ayan, tingnan nyo yung sky combination of white and blue. Today is March 18 and today is Monday. Time check is 1:30 p.m. Ayan, mahangin-hangin. A pleasant day. Maganda talaga ang weather now. Kasi spring season na dito, so maganda talaga ang spring season. So ayan, nakikita nyo yung plums, may mga blossoms na, cherry blossoms. And then susunod din itong apricot. Yan yung puno ng apricot. Yan. Yung mga lupa, ayan, sila kay ang diyan. Sila kay ang nagdadala dito, nilalagay dito sa yung dito. Para ma-level yung dito kasi may mataas, may mababa. Kaya dapat i-level. Ayan, doon ilagay. This is already complete 10, how many that? 10 feet. 8 by 8, no? So, ayan. 2 days, Kabirbay, he make this one. Yesterday and today. So, complete already. Is the one, no? Kabirbay. Kabir the Great. Ayan, no? Ang lalim. This wood, they will put here in gutter. Ayan. So, they will complete today. Inshallah. And this one, today morning, my husband, he cut from our tree. And he used our, yung chinsaw, yung machine cutter. Wood cutter machine. So, ito, 1 tree. This is 1 tree, Dar?
Yeah.
1 tree.
Still there is 2 pieces more.
How many wood you put there in this one?
7 wood like that.
7 wood like this height, like this long. And then, ito yung machine namin na ginamit nila kay. Ayan. Doon banda siya nag-cut ng tree. Yan, yung tree na yan. Yung pine trees. Ito yung mga pine trees na property namin. Hindi lang naman ito sa asawa ko. May mga kamag-anak siya na owner of this property na mga pine trees. Pero doon banda nag-cut sila kay saan ba yun banda? Yes, basta dyan banda. Ito yung ibang lupa na nilagay dito. yung ano, pinaghukayan ng ano, ng butas ng ano, ng guitar. So ayan, maganda ang panahon ngayon, oh. Ano ngayon? March, ano ba ngayon? March 19 ba ngayon? Ano ngayon? 8-day Ramadan fasting, alhamdulillah. Today is Tuesday and time check 11:30 a.m. Ayun, maganda ang weather, a pleasant day talaga. Kahapon ganito din yung ano, yung weather. Now they put already wood here. How many wood? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 woods. Meron doon maliit. Ayan. So na-cover na ito ng ano, na malaking kahoy. Ayan. क्या हाल है कसना ना हाँ 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 you go around the world नाम क्या हाल है इस्लाम शाबाश नाम क्या है हैं क्या नाम क्या है नहीं बोलते ayan must be we have to cover it this one because Langga is coming here anytime so this is so Langga he don't know anything so maybe he will jump here so it's better we'll cover now here no I see no but he's not talking nam ke adara mo adara नाम क्या बा बताओ ना नाम क्या है हैं क्या है नाम क्या हो
बोलो फातिमा नाम है
फातिमा नाम फातिमा है फातिमा नेम दे अच्छा her name is Fatma very cute mashallah ayan how many years this one Dar how many years this one maybe we are no more also at the time 10 years 10 years maybe Dar 10 years this one inshallah because this one all the gator is almost 10 years Dar this one yeah inshallah we can use this one and maybe we are no more at the time so 58 and 58 plus 10 if 10 years this one so 68 we are 68 already at the time inshallah still we are alive so ito yung ano ilalagay dito ayun doon ayan doon yung washroom namin yan yung plumber oh nam kewa nam yeah I forget his name his plumber ito yung i-joint dito doon
engineer Kabir
and Kabir Bhai is the one who make cut the hole for this guitar now it's already covered another one project finish and what you call that Dar you joint here elbow for this guitar ayan oh alhamdulillah another project finish tension finish
3 minutes.